about moving to Gulf Shores, Alabama? Well, today we are going to walk you through one of our brand new listings on Sandpiper Lane in the cute and small little subdivision of Osprey. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,559 square feet down West Beach. At the end of this street is your beach access, and this subdivision has a lagoon-front pool and a pier and lagoon access. So you're going to want to check this one out because the best part about this one is the price. You cannot find anything for this type of price, this type of quality. We are listed at $539,900, and I can't wait for you to check it out. So come take a look with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and the surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here. Vacation here, own property here, be an investor here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days, when you're thinking about making your move, investing, buying, or selling, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls and texts from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we're going to walk through this brand new listing. I'm going to show you the beach access here on 13th Street. We're going to go take a look at the subdivision pool and the lagoon. This really is an awesome property for the price. And, you know, we love to promote our own listings on this channel. It's a great way that we can provide an extra service to our sellers, and something that we love to do. So come check it out with us. So I walk right into the kitchen. Got nice kitchen cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. And you got a nice open area here, dining and living. I think the owners did a good job putting the TV there, catty corner, and hanging it up. I think there's an opportunity here to even make some additional cosmetic improvements to this house that wouldn't cost a lot of money, that would really beef this property up. But for the price, you're going to be tough to beat this in the heart of Gulf Shores. This is going to be the primary here. Here's the closet. It does have access to the balcony. That condo complex you just saw was Sanibel down West Beach. And primary bathroom. Nice tiled walk-in shower. That is going to be the laundry there, full washer and dryer. First guest bedroom here. Second bedroom here. Dresser. the AC closet there to the left, and this is going to be the guest bathroom. Down at the end of this street is the public access. It's 13th Street. Beautiful summer day here in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Lots of deck space, so that wraps all the way around. There's the primary bedroom there. Actually, I'm sorry, it does not wrap all the way around. Lots of balcony space here. Guest bedroom there. Little overhang there if you want to sit under the shade on the balcony. And there's the lagoon there. Here's the small little complex of Osprey. So just the back two guest bedrooms have carpet, and it's hardwood floors. The rest and tile in the bathrooms. Got a subdivision private pier for owners and guests only. And this subdivision pool was just put in. They did a really good job with it. Very quiet, small subdivision here on the lagoon. But you can short-term rent here, and that is what really sets it apart. All right, guys, that's going to just about do it for today's video walkthrough of our new listing here, Osprey, lot number 2, down West Beach. We've got public beach access and subdivision deeded lagoon, pier and access, subdivision pool, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, almost 1,600 square feet. And the best part about this is you can actually short-term rent here, even though it's a very quiet, small subdivision. Projected rentals are between $50,000 and $60,000 a year. That would be with a very good property manager managing it. Got those projections for you. If you'd like to see them, just shoot us a comment or send us an email. We'd love to help you with this property. I would love to help you make a smooth move to our paradise or get a beach house investment property, second home, whatever the case may be. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.